Introducing Kioti's versatile compact loaders, designed with professionals in mind and built for comfort and performance. These rugged machines are engineered to handle tough jobs effortlessly, thanks to their powerful engines and exceptional lift heights. Whether you're tackling landscaping projects, construction tasks, or agricultural work, Kioti compact loaders provide the reliability and strength you need to get the job done efficiently. With precision controls, you can maneuver through tight spaces and navigate challenging terrains with ease, making them perfect for a variety of applications. The ergonomic design ensures operator comfort during long hours of work, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. Plus, with a range of attachments available, these loaders can adapt to any task you throw at them. Elevate your work experience and take on every challenge with confidence. Choose Kioti compact loaders for the durability, power, and versatility that professionals trust. Get ready to transform your workflow and maximize your productivity with Kioti.